Hi, today I'm going to show you if the Opal app is worth it. So, Opal is an app that can help you manage your screen time. Now, if we scroll down here, you can see that they give you some statistics over 5 to 6 hours. That's the average time you'll spend on your phone today. So, that's a lot, right? So, this app apparently can help you get more focus by managing your screen time. Here you can see, here's the average time that's saved thanks to Opal. You can see it has statistics like 95% less distracted, more productive, and improved mental health, right? Here's some of the reviews from their users. Now, the thing is, all of these is fine, right? And they could help you with a lot more focus if that's what you really need. If you're helplessly addicted to your phone or to your laptop, that's okay if you want to use this app. But is it worth it or not? That's the thing. Because if you see here, try Opal for free. For free. So what that means is this is a paid app, or my guess is this is a subscription. Now, if you really need to manage your screen time, there is a free alternative. This is an app for Mac and iPhone, and I'm pretty sure there's a lot apps that manage your screen times for free, right? And I'm not really sure about what the premium features of all of these Opal apps are, right? Maybe it can give you some life-saving statistic or method, but I suggest you would do your own research first if you think this is worth it or not. Because if all you need is just an app to lock your phone or to lock your Mac once the screen time is reached, there is a lot more free alternative. If you like this video, please consider liking and subscribing.